So because my friend wants to come and give me gist, I decided to make her favorite pasta, spicy prawn linguine. So first seasoning my shrimps and chopped all my ingredients down. Put a butter into my pan. I put some chopped garlic, some chopped onions, bell peppers. I fry that. Then I added my fresh parsley, some fresh tomatoes. Then I added seasoning cube and a pinch of salt. Man, this thing was already giving what it's supposed to be giving. Then in a pot, I brought some water, add in some salt and oil. Then I introduced the star of my dish, my favorite go-to pasta, Honeywell pasta. This is my favorite pasta, guys. This pasta's boiled within 5 minutes. Your pasta is ready. Because I like gist and I wanted my pasta to be ready on time before my friend gets here, so I just sharply used my Honeywell pasta. Then I introduced my prawn and my lemon. Then I added some butter and I added my Honeywell pasta with the pasta water. I mix everything together. Then I top it up with some parsley for extra taste, and there was me serving my pasta, my favorite go-to pasta, Honeywell. And my friend was so happy. See how she's smiling and just this thing. Well, this was just going very well. She was so surprised how I made this pasta, and I told her, Honeywell got you. So rush to get your Honeywell pasta and make this recipe for your friends. Bye.